Oh, you're talking to me? Oh, hello. Wait. I think this somebody over here is talking to me. Oh wait, there's nobody here. I just felt like swinging my hair. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am See My Curls, and my curls is gone, y'all. I done transformed into the lock life. I said, screw these curls, I'm getting locks like I'm playing. These are crochet braids. These are crochet braids, y'all. These are crochet braids. You're like, wait, crochet what? Those are crochet braids? Yeah, these are crochet braids. You want to see how I did it? Guess you're gonna have to watch this video. Just want you guys to know a little bit about this hair. I did get this hair from Boho Locks. It is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money. Obviously, you know, I'm small. Just getting started, but I just have to say that. I bought it. Their hair is expensive. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Let me go get my package so I can tell you what I have. It came in this package. Obviously, the package is empty now. It came in this package. Super nice, easy packaging. Hair super nice, high quality hair. Looks like real stuff. I got the Boho Bronde Goddess Long. Just if you guys want to know what hair I'm wearing, that's the one I got. I was gonna try the mermaid ones, but with the style that with the way I installed the front, you're gonna understand why you have to have like the locked ones. You can't have the ones with the loose hair unless you're gonna do full crochet straight backs. I didn't do full straight backs, but you're gonna see exactly how I did it. Can y'all see this? It's 2:02 p.m., okay? 2:02 p.m. So you guys see I have my braid pattern in the back. My sister did it. I can't braid. She always does my cornrows. Even when I was in college, I would go to my friend Chloe. Like, I can't braid, y'all. But this is what we're doing. This is the goal. And I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. Because we got our pre-made lock here. I got my finger through the crochet loop. Get your hook, open it, slide it through your braid. Hook your hair onto the hook, close the latch, pull through carefully. It's a little thick because you want to do small braids in the front for Boho Locks. And depending on, honestly, small braids period, because the locks I used to do this method last year were still kind of small. So you want really small braids. I have 11 braids in my head, or 12 including this one, but small. Look at the size of your lock. That will also tell you. So now we're gonna loop it. You're gonna go like this. And I'm only gonna do one loop because these are gonna be reused. So I need to be gentle with them. We're gonna double loop the back, but in the front, it's a no. So here comes the part, guys. So you're gonna take your hook and open it. And you need to do it small, especially like if you don't want to mess up the hair, just do it small. Trust me. So you're going to, it's a coil basically. And so inside the coil is still a circle and you can fit your hook in there. And basically we're pulling the braid into the coil, okay? So right here is the top of the lock. We'll go ahead and slide it in. And like, sometimes you can unravel them to kind of figure out where the hole is. But as you see, it's in there. So I'm gonna take my hair, the braid, hook onto the crochet hook. Make sure you got it on there too. Close, pull through. You're gonna do this all the way to the bottom of this braid. So let's keep going. So we'll go through the hole. Be careful. Do small increments because you don't want to mess up the hair. Trust me. I messed up locks last time I did it this way. So that's why I'm just like, I'm going slow. And that's why I'm doing this part first, in case I do mess up some locks. Pull through. What did I do wrong? Oh, see? And that's why you guys have to latch it. Make sure it's latched, else it won't go through. It'll just get caught, and that's how you get a mess. So make sure it's latched. And just pull through gently. Sometimes you do have to tug it. But see? And actually, I'm debating it. We might redo that one. But let's see. I'm happy with that. Let me see the back. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I was making sure that, like, because when you're doing it, you want to put your hook right where you're leaving off. You don't want people to see the braid. So let's do this again. Okay. Close hook, pull braid through, unhook, finish pulling it through. Yeah, it's a slow process, but it works. So that's why I started the video at install, because I wanted to show you how quick the install is. Obviously, you know, braiding is going to take a little time, but I got my hair braided last night. I'm hooking it onto the braid again, guys. And we're going to pull the braid through once again. And to make sure I don't mess up the hair, I'm kind of help guiding it through in a way. You want to make sure that braid is still hidden within the lock. I love these locks. Like, this is probably like my 3rd or 4th time doing crochet locks. And I've been wanting to try boho locks for years. I just never had the money. So, you know, now that as a grown woman, it's like I ain't got grown. But now that I got my ducks in a row, I decided to try them for my birthday. And I love the way they look. I rinsed them with vinegar last night because I have a really sensitive scalp and skin. I think I told you guys this. I have very sensitive skin, and I think that's like all over my body. So I think my scalp is part of that conundrum. All right, this is the last piece, I think. There might be a little bit left. But yeah, so I soaked this hair in vinegar because usually, like, I stopped protective styling because my scalp got really irritated after a while. Alrighty. And I am gonna try to get the rest. Like, you see that little coil? That's my hair. If you can even see it. Here's my hair. See it? So I'm just trying to get the rest of it hidden. So just to make sure we didn't mess with the lock too much, I'm going to twist in the direction that the lock is going, because for those who don't know what locks are, they're really honestly coils. You're just letting your hair mat down, and there it is. All right. Like I said, this is the longest part of the whole process too. So we're going to pull through. Hopefully we got better luck with this one. Let's go ahead and make our single loop. Tighten. Okay. Moment. Just gonna wind it. And this one, like, you can kind of see the braid. I'm not even gonna hold you, and I really can care less. Okay? Can you see it from here? Because nobody's about to be up here with me. You feel me? Nobody's about to be in my scalp, so that's why I'm like, whatever. It doesn't have to be completely perfect. I am not a licensed professional. I am doing it for myself, and I'm okay with that. All right, so let's speed it up. All right. That's the front. Like I said, the front's the longest part. Took me about an hour. And now we're gonna do the bag. I'm gonna show you guys probably like 1 or 2 rows on how I do the bag, and then I'm gonna breeze through it for you guys, you know. All right, so the way you do this so that you don't do your hair too thick and so that you don't run out of hair, because it's a learning curve, guys, but once you've done it a few times, you kind of get it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it right the first time. So we're gonna start at the top of this braid. Go ahead. And we're gonna double knot these. So first braid, put her in. See me attaching the hook. Pull through, grabbing it. And we're gonna go looped. 1, 2, pull. Boom! Let's do it again. So now, and this is the key, we're gonna space it out, okay? When you first start the install, space everything out. Make sure it's even. So we got one right here. We're gonna do right here now. I literally go 1, 2, 3. Then I'll put one in the middle of those gaps, and then I'll move on to the next rows until my whole head has crochet in it. Once all my braids are covered, then whatever is left, I fill in those gaps. So this is at the top of the braid. So let's go for the middle right here. And the nice thing about crochet braids, because you guys see that my sister took a needle and thread and sewed the braids together, the crochet braids, as I loop them, also help secure those braids, so you won't be able to see it. Like, it'll help hold it down even more. All right. We're gonna go back here now. The hard part's just remembering where the loop is. And then go ahead. Do the 2. Oh, I need to handle business today too. All right. So I'm gonna add one right here. And I'm gonna add one right here. Maybe 2 right there. And then I'm gonna go to the next row. So those are all the ones that I have already unpackaged here. So I'm about to get to this pile and we're gonna speed it up. So yeah, I hope you guys were able to see kind of in depth how it is in the back. Super easy, guys, super easy. Let's do this, Johnny! Y'all, I'm done. I got like 3 left, but I don't know where they're gonna go. Usually I find an extra spot that looks bare and I'll just pop one in. So that's probably what's gonna happen, but hey, yo, this hair is it. Like, all right, let's see what time it is. Let's see if I know it's definitely before 5. So technically we still did under 3 hours. Told you guys. It's 4:38, under 3 hours, guys. Like, they're so versatile. And now you guys see why I do the front, because it looks like I had them individually done. Even though me and you both are crochet braids. But when people see me on the street, they ain't gonna say that. Now you guys see why I still mess with crochet braids? Here's the back. They're nice and long too. I don't know if you guys can see how long they are. Here. Almost at the booty, not quite, but almost there. Yeah. If you can see it from the front. It's like, let me chill. All right, but for real, you guys should really try crochet styles. They're great. They're great for growing your hair. Literally all my hair is underneath this hair. So I can give my hair a nice little break because I am on a hair growth journey. I'm trying to get to broad strap length this year. So yeah, it was important for me to get a protective style for this, not only the summer, but for my birthday too, because of that goal. All right, y'all. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Don't worry, birthday week coming. Actually, it is birthday week. I turned 24 this week, y'all. But calm down. So I will see y'all later. And I also owe you guys some more skincare. We're gonna do some skincare this week. All right, y'all. Stay safe, stay home. Unless, like, if you can, stay home. It is still crazy out there. People are still sick, so stay home. Try to do your part until there is a vaccine. And I will see you guys in the next video. And if you haven't watched those other videos, just go ahead and watch them. I don't know if you watched them or not. Trust me, I know everything.